Liam equals drama. Yeah, second drama of the day. So like normally we try and like emphasize on the drama to bring the video some value, but this time there's no emphasizing on fuck all. Today has been straight fucking retarded misery.
Yeah, y'all know how this shit go. You know, all eyes on me. Motherfucker, G. Roll up in the club and shit. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. You know what? I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust.
I should be able to do it. Yeah, I can put it away in a second. I should be able to do the whole thing in one gear.
Fucking wrong. Something's not right. But if it's the end of the cable, stopping it going in and out because it's snapped right off of the cable.
That's they come down to the back straight and do it on the inside off the base of the line. They practice their starts. So fast. So fast. Just gonna go get ready right now. We are just preparing for the first show of the weekend. It's Friday morning. I'm gonna go get dressed because I'm in my party pants. So I'm gonna go get my Power Ranger suit on. Get dressed up, car's ready, we think. We're gonna do some like introduction thing. We got a parade over to where we're driving. Then we got a drive-in. I have no fucking clue what we're doing, right? You're gonna see for yourself what we're doing. You are gonna see at the same time that I see what the plan is, because I have no idea what it is. So I'm gonna go get my suit on, I'll get in the car, and as far as I'm concerned, that's all I know. Let's see what happens next.
So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you see down, nigga, how much you see me? And let me tell you something, but they don't want to free me. I got a team of band of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with beating the cross later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. I five double on the bands from the flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream. The moment disappear before your eyes like a dope game. It seems my main thing was to be major. Paid the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches. Bitches bring lies. Niggas get jealous of motherfuckers out. It don't be like the broken men think they might be over second.
So we've done the parade across from where we were parking. We're parked sort of pitted over by the FMX arena. And now this is on the opposite tarmac version, so this is called the backyard, I think. So we just done our parade over from there to here. My car's a little bitch to drive slowly, so I had to just drive real sensibly, and I had a load of shit in the car with me. And next time I'll make sure there's no shit in it. I'm gonna do some wheelies maybe on the I love doing street wheelies, right? That would be a good street wheelie up over that bridge. Anyway, we've done the parade, it was really fucking cool. All these like top level freestyle motocross riders are the best in the world, all just around you revving their bikes and popping wheelies and stuff. Obviously the unknown boys on the Harleys, Banksy and Luke. It was sick, it was good. We're over here now, so I think the idea was to rile up some attention so people know we're coming over here, so now the show begins. I have no idea, like I said, what the show is, but the show begins.
I'm in the back, reasoning with gigs and couple geniuses. Cause I'm from money. I got this semi-automatic straddle put down in the alley. Cause I'm from money. I got these girls in this body that keep crying for your mommy. Cause I'm from money. Pussy check the tally, get smoked like Cali for being a chatty party. Cause I'm from money. Big lit, 6 mix for a couple of pics. Stuck in the mix, I hope the strip. Why you call your bitch? Why I ain't rich until my brothers are rich? If they ain't putting work in, then I ain't fucking with him. Where was you when I was circulating looking for him? I spent my 8 each stuck in the bin. Let's get taken by the push of a pin. Push of a button got me looking to sin. Why I'm pushing it in? A man that love me a spin. I like semi-autos, but the spinner's more reliable. If something gets dropped on my block, they say I'm liable. My location stays unjustifiable. She can get messy like Lionel. The licks are on the bricks, cause I'm
Well, no, that didn't go to plan. We changed the suspension from the last time I drove it, and for some reason it's got no grip, so I was fucking messing around, playing around, just trying to push to see if I could get some grip into the tyres. I wanted a wheelie really bad. I took a long time to get the front up. By the time the front came up and it came down again, I ran out of room to stop. So obviously when you're wheeling, you can't see where you're going. So when I came down, I braked and handbraked, and it was too late, I hit the wall, so yeah. So now I need to try and work out why it's got no grip so I can get a wheelie earlier, which I want to be able to wheelie across the arena, but I need to be able to start wheeling at the start, not at the end, because otherwise I won't have enough space to stop. Yeah, that was a great start.
We just put it back together again, and go out and do exactly the same thing. It's going to be great. We got this 2 times a day for the next 3 days.
That's what you're getting, guys, that's it.
It was a good wheelie.
Hey, shit happens, man. I guess you can see.
Looking for a new driver if anyone knows one. Needs to find a replacement driver. Yeah. Yeah, no problem.
Funny, I don't really want to.
Anything
One of
for
my
you.
best passenger rides on the Up and Smoke tour.
Did you hurt you good? You didn't hurt yourself? When I was on a wheelie, it was just squatting rather than wheeling. Yeah. So every time I was, it was just like fucking a boat. I was like, oh, and then eventually when I was like, I've got to keep it now. Yeah. And then I dropped, it was like, no, you bastard. Just over here having a quick team chat update about what to do in the next demo. Baggy said don't crash, so I'm going to try not to crash. Anyway, moving on swiftly. We fixed the car. I didn't fix the car, the guy fixed the car. As Bagsy would say, brand new second hand. Kind of looks like it did. And I think mechanically it's in a good condition now. Like, wasn't really broken, but should be all good. It looks good from 20 feet away, which is all that matters because that's how far away the people are from the arena. So yeah, we're ready to go. I don't know if I am because I still haven't slept, but let's go be responsible, take it easy this time, get the show done, and have a calm, quiet night so we're ready for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna get my suit on now, get up, and get the car over, and time for demo 2. This time, hopefully nothing. Hopefully, you know where I was last time. I was like, let's see what happens. I don't want to see what happens.
Say it. Don't even say it. Don't even fucking say it.
This time's gonna be. I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go over there, do a very good, calm show, and come back in one piece. Thank you.
10% to the pastor. Keep going up the ladder. Hey. They mad, make them matter. Hey. Told my son when I'm gone, you gon' be a rich little bastard. Yeah. Corners on me hitting, leave a bitch dizzy. All my old bitches feeling salty. Yeah. In my DM, talk about why you dog me. Yeah.
Just got the barriers left. Just a little love tap. Just a tip. Keep it up.
I just can't help myself with trying to show off. And what happens when you try and show off? Fucking over show off. Trying to put on a show, that was a show, I think. The car's can't do this every round. Yeah, second drama of the day. So like normally, to be honest, we try and like emphasize on the drama to bring the video some value, but this time there's no emphasizing on fuck all. Today has been straight fucking retarded misery. I've drove like a complete prick both times. Again, like, it was a small mistake. It was only just like millimeters, and I touched the wall and it pulled the wall in. It pulled the wheel into the wall and then that grabbed it. But I actually am not that worried this time. I know the car's fucked now, but it was fucking wild. That was the wildest thing I've done in this car since I've had this car, and there's been lots of wild moments. I flicked it in, like went backwards, and it started a wheelie, and then I just stayed in it, and I wheeled all the way around the corner, but properly slide in. And like, we've used the term drift wheelies before, but that was like legitimately a drift wheelie. I was going all the way around the fucking arena, looking at the sky. And the problem is, because I'm not scared, I kind of wish I was, but because I'm not scared, anyone in their right mind would put the front down so they see where they're going, but I don't. I just keep in it. And then when I did put the front down, I was that little bit too close. And it touched the wall. So this time, I'm not like, it's not misery, it's fucking frustrating because we've got to try and fix the car now, but it was well worth it. If you know what that means. Like, we're always looking for that fucking little bit, that moment, that shot. Like, we're trying to make content for you guys, we're looking for that shot. That was that shot. Now I know that'll do it. I need to now pull that off properly. Liam equals drama. There's never a fucking dull moment, and today has not been a dull moment. I broke both wishbones, damper, steering arm, brake line, everything on that front corner. So we don't know if we can put it back together, but we will try. You will find out. So, phase one of recover from misery today. We have a damper coming from home, coming up from the workshop to replace the damper that's broken. We are going to try to weld repair the rest. We've got it on the trailer. Jan, good friend of ours, is very kind, said we can go to his workshop, which is like an hour away, to use his material in his welder and try to repair the arm to get it back into a condition where we can try and complete this job. Car's loaded. That was probably the easy bit. More misery to come. Oh my God.
Ruby, Ruby, Ruby. Do you? Know what you doing to me? Ruby, 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 Ruby. Do you? Know what you doing to me? Chicks looking at me like, talk to me, darling. Hollering at man, winking.
We're here, car's back together-ish. Back together-ish. We're just in the final bits now. Liam's on his way, which we haven't seen him this morning. Shock. Cool fact though, Jason Statham is still over there. And we're nearly ready, but they're going out in a minute, so hopefully someone hurries up.
We're now on day 2, hoping for a better day today. Less drama from Liam, please. The car is all fixed. The boys did a great job last night, put it back together. Apologies for being a dickhead, for crashing it. Let's not do it again. We just paraded back over. So in MotoGP Silverstone, day 2 is midday. We just paraded over. The place is ram fucking packed. There's people everywhere. So let's put on a good show. And not pressure.
Smiling and wanna attack, man. I think these lighties loving my black gang. Everyone's suit same colour as Batman's. Flipping like a quarter or a brick. Bag 28 with a thought of a jig. Anybody thinks they can talk to my dick, well then I'm covered in bread like a portion of chips. Pour me a drink. Big fur jacket, that's the force of a whip. I used to be white, and that's all anything, so I had to run back. Now pour me a tick. Pedaling more weed. Them times then I was licking up more weed. Skip couple years, no selling the story. Now all I'm at is some heavy DOG. Rich niggas looking for glory. Wanna be me so they can tell you a story. Get glory. Clapped in the net like a man with some reach. Yeah, I got my son in the body. So much drugs I like a weapon BOG. Friends try and nick me for a murder, but it could have been a man that had the weapon before me.
So, didn't crash. I'm actually fucking buzzing after that. I didn't crash, which is the most fucking biggest relief, because after yesterday, I don't even know if I wanted to drive the car again. But yeah, that was definitely made up for it. That was a comeback, for sure. That was the fucking wildest thing I've ever done in my life. I was doing fucking donuts on the back wheels. Like, I was trying to do wheelie drifts. I did wheelie donuts. Fuck whoever's done wheelie donuts before. That was fucking insane.